Hi, hello students. Let's start our new session regarding emulsions only. So we are discussing about colloidal solution. In the colloidal solution, we discuss various types of the colloids only. In that one type of colloid is called emulsions only. What is meant by emulsions means liquid in liquid is called emulsions only. Liquid in liquid is called emulsions only. Generally, in this topic, we are going to discuss about these terms only. About introduction of the emulsions, types of emulsions, classification of emulsions, again theories of the emulsions, and general emulsion properties we'll discuss here. Some say very clearly emulsion nothing but liquid in liquid only. It means here the both dispersion phase, dispersion medium is liquid only. Both dispersal phase and dispersal medium is liquid, that is called emulsions only. Suppose emulsion example nothing but oil in water. Look at the oil in the water is emulsion only. Milk is also one emulsion only. Milk is also one emulsion. Let's say definition emulsions only. The term emulsions coming from the Greek word is Latin word milk. Emulsion means milk only. Okay, generally here look at the emulsion means emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquids only. Emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquids that are normally immiscible. The two liquids are not mixed properly. That's called as a emulsions only. Clear no? Students, once again I'm saying emulsion is a mixture of two or more non-immiscible liquids. Two or more immiscible liquids called emulsions only. In this one we are discussing that you want to know the emulsions means just take small amount of water and add small amount of oil drops. When you shake it, will get the emulsions only. Or else is then if you take the here, if you take the water and you inform the water, you will add small amount of the oil only. That's the oil in water emulsions. Because there are two types of emulsions are there. So types of emulsions are there. Here the oil in water emulsion is there, water and oil emulsion. Multiple emulsions are there. Oil, water and oil one will come here. Water, oil and water is there. And next one is micro emulsions only. Micro emulsions only. Students, once again saying it, you are discussing especially important about the oil and water emulsion, water and oil emulsion only. Let's have some idea from the difference between the oil and water emulsion, water and oil emulsion only. Look at that. Water oil emulsion means here water is a solvent. Solvent means dispersion medium. Oil is dispersion phase only. Look at this one is just imagine we want to very clearly here. Because water is a dispersion medium and oil is a dispersion phase only. Water is a dispersion medium, oil is a dispersion phase, is called as a oil in water emulsions only. Generally non-greasy and easily removed from the skin only. Generally non-greasy, easily removed from the skin. Next, water and oil is there. Look at the oil is a dispersion medium and water is a dispersion phase. Oil is dispersion medium, water is dispersion phase, nothing but a water and oil emulsions only. Greasy and not water washable. Generally they are greasy material, not water washable material only. Because the oil in water is generally remember used to external to provide cooling effect. Like vanishing creams are there, no? Vanish creams, but oil in water only. Next one is then the water and oil system is there, no? Evaporation of the moisture from the surface of the skin. Example, cold cream. Cold cream nothing but water in oil. Next one is preferred for internal use as bitter taste and oil can be masked. Next one is I want to say very clearly oil in water, water in oil only. Water in oil. Just remember water in oil nothing but butter. Example is butter. Oil in water nothing but you know very well is there no milk. Milk oil in water example is milk only. Look at you will get very clear is there no here look at there. Just come imagine here this is the water is a solvent. Dispersion medium. Here the oil particles are the dispersion phase only. These kind of solution is called water in oil. So sorry, oil in water. This is called oil in water only. Here look at the oil particles are major content, solvent is there, then water particles solid only. This is but here the water in oil. Water in oil only. Look at a simple example. Oil in water example is oil in water. Dispersion phase is oil. Dispersion phase is nothing but a solid only. Dispersion medium is solvent only. Okay, this is water base, is an oil base. These are both also. Look at the both are the emulsions only. From this diagram we get very clear idea nothing but look at this nothing but here the water is there, here water is there, in water the oil droplets are there. This is called oil in water. If you take the you look at the it's total is the yellow color nothing but oil only, a small amount of the water is there. This is called water in oil. Clear? This is unstable only, this is somewhat stable only. Clear students? Let's say next important emulsifying agent only. Emulsifying means those substances which are used to prepare the emulsions. Those substances which are used to for preparation of emulsion known as emulsifying agent only. Look at that. They are the substances added to the emulsion to prevent the coagulation of the globular proteins only. Coagulation process prevented by the adding of some such materials. That materials called as a emulsifying agents only. They are also known as a emulsifying agent, emulsifiers. Emulsifying are also called as emulsifiers only. They help in the formation of the emulsion by three mechanisms are there. Okay, now first one is the reduction of internal tension only. Reduction of internal tension, thermodynamical stable only. Formation of rigid internal films. Look at the mechanism of barrier. Look at the nothing but here that they are protecting the oil. Look at they form one film around the oil droplets. So what I mean, when you add the lyophilic solution, they will make interaction is there. So it will prevent the coagulation of the colloidal particles only. Formation of electrical double layer. Electrical double layer, already we discussed is there. Electrical double layer is there. It also maintaining the stability of the colloidal solutions only. Next one is then here the pharmaceutical generally acceptable emulsions must be used only. Generally, it must be pharmaceutical industries are using some. Suppose imagine here we remove some cough syrup, some tannics, some. Okay, they are using made up of the emulsions only. First one is be stable. Okay, emulsions is the emulsifying agent. What role of emulsifying? Make be stable, be compatible with other ingredients only, be non-toxic. Okay, generally non-toxic materials are there. Use the possess little order, taste and color. Possess little order, taste and color. Not interfere with stability. They never involve the stability only of affinity of the activity of agent only. It's not look at here the possess little order, taste or color, not interfere with the stability of affinity of the activity of agent only. Activity of the agent only. Students, what are maybe emulsifying agent means? You remember emulsifying agent means the process of mixing of two liquids called emulsification only. To stabilize the emulsion, some chemicals are used that is called emulsifying agent. To stabilize the chemicals, some emulsions are used that is called emulsifying agents only. And also remember one point is de-emulsifying agent means the process of adding some other chemical to remove the emulsion property. To convert the emulsion into individual liquids called de-emulsifying agent only. Types of emulsions are there now. General micromolecule micro emulsions only. Unlike the common macro emulsions, that one is appearance very clear, transparent materials. So both liquid and oil emulsions are there. Clear and transparent is there. They are thermodynamically stable only. Students, your doubt is how can you identify the emulsions or not? Okay, how can you identify that the materials emulsions are not is there? No? Here detection of test is there. What detection test is then here? Look at the first one is they will take the here dilution test is there. No? Based on the solubility of the external phase, emulsions has been classified. Based on solubility of external phase, emulsions has been classified only. Look at the oil and water emulsions can be diluted with water. General oil and water emulsions can be diluted with water. Water and oil emulsions can be diluted with water only. Okay, oil in water. Generally, remember oil and water emulsions can be diluted with water only. Look at the what are the dispersion medium is they are adding the same thing only. Here what is the dispersion medium? They are adding water. They will make a look at it. Here they are adding solid. Okay, when they added the water, what happens? Just consider the water the oil is then they will be expanded. Okay, next is the water and oil. What they are adding the X amount of oil. When they add oil, what is X amount would be? One point remember here, if you add oil will be have some color will be there, but it can be identified some color test also is there. Look at detection test is there. Conductivity test only. Water is a good conductor of the electricity, whereas oil is a non-bad conductor. Look at just consider if you take the oil in water, water is a major, it will carry electricity. If you take oil is bad conductor of electricity, it will never carry it out. So can easily identify whether the emulsion is the oil and water and oil only. And also detection based color test is there. No? Just imagine here just imagine oil gets color. When I add any color, oil takes color is there. No? So what happens? Just consider the oil takes color. If I take this one, just imagine this one, okay, water. Generally, this is just comes here oil and water is there. Just I'm giving some example. If suppose this is oil, it takes color. This is so emulsions color is a oil with general water in the oil. If suppose water takes color, oil will not takes color. Like this example, like if you add some ingredients, red color dye is there, no, water becomes color, but oil is never takes color. That's nothing but here you can see very clear idea is nothing but okay, because this is the oil in water emulsion. This is oil in water. By adding some color, also you can see simple example. Yeah, any doubts is there. Take small amount of water and add oil. make a mixed solution, they form a one emulsion is there. When you add some color, blue color, link color is there, no? What you just notice here, so what you'll notice here, the water gets color, oil will be separate. Oil will be separate. Because the emulsifying agent, once again I'm saying, emulsifying agent are substances that are soluble in both water and fat and enable to fat to uniformly disperse in water as emulsion only. Emulsifying agent means which makes emulsion is possible, which stabilize emulsions. This is called emulsifying agent. Classification of emulsifying agents only. Synthetic surface, general synthetic emulsifying agents, general soaps are there, no? Soaps, detergents, they are coming for the under emulsification, emulsifying agents only. Emulsifying agents only. General soaps is emulsifying agent. Soaps are the detergents, may be anionic, cationic, or non-ionic. Generally, soaps are made up of the oil plus sodium hydroxide solution. When they heated, you will get the soaps only. They will add some flavors. They are generally amphiphatic. Okay, one of the look at the what is just considered hydrophobic part and hydrophilic part will be there. So the cleaning action also already we discussed, but here whenever the soap particles can hydrophobic part will attach the oil and dirt particle, removes dirt particles from the skin only. So based on this phenomena, oil will be work. So this hydrophobic part is hydrophilic part. This hydrophobic part attached to the oil dirt particles, removes the oil from the skin only. Next one, use of emulsions on. Generally emulsions example you can take the milk is emulsion only. Okay, next one, cleaning action of soap also depend upon emulsion property only. Cosmetics, drugs, nothing but is then we are using cosmetics also, no? There are also emulsification agent only. Next, paints also emulsifying agents only. Medicines also work in the phenomena of the emulsifying agent only. Do you know very well extraction of the metal sulfide ores by using of the froth flotation process? This also work in the phenomena of the emulsification only. It is also work in the phenomena of the emulsification process only. Okay, now generally the surfactant technology reduce the odor and flammability only. General paints and inks are there, they are also acting as emulsifying only. Emulsion examples only.